Crystal from Jeep Around Texas here. We just ordered some new heavy-duty shackles from GearAmerica, and they came in yesterday, so I wanted to give you a look at them, show you what comes in the box, and just take you along for this quick little install. So these are the Mega Shackles from GearAmerica. You can see a little bit of it there. This is the box. So we ordered these for the Rubicon. We ordered 2 sets, 1 set for the front and 1 set for the rear. And we ordered them in red. So in the box, there is a little business card, but on the back of it, there is a little barcode here that you can scan to get the warranty information on the product. We also got a GearAmerica decal in white. Since we ordered 2 sets, we have 2 of the decals, so we can possibly put 1 on each side. And then there is a little information booklet that tells about the brand and their story and that sort of thing. And here it shows that GearAmerica supports St. Jude Research Hospital, which is super awesome if you ask me. And then the shackles. Again, we ordered red because they're for the Rubicon. Look at these. They are so beefy, and I cannot wait to exchange the other ones with these. So, again, we got some for the front and some for the rear. And we're gonna go ahead and order some for the CJ as well. And as you know, the CJ is red, but it has orange and yellow on the hood, the little old school stripes on the front. So we thought maybe the yellow would look really good with the CJ. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. They also have orange, but I think the orange would make it look like we're trying to match the faded red on the Jeep. Not sure. But anyway, yeah. So again, we ordered the red, but check out the website because they also come in silver, black, orange, yellow, and I think green as well. But yeah, so we're gonna get these switched out and show you how much better they look from the old ones that we're currently running on the Jeep. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the old one and then what the new one's gonna look like. Here's the old, and there's the new. Big difference. These look so much better. So now I'm going to move to the back of the Jeep and we'll install those. Okay, so the rear ones are going to have to wait because I'm not strong enough to get off the old ones. So I'll have to wait on Nathan to come home and loosen those up. So after we figured out which of these rings we needed to fill in the space so that there's no wiggle in these, pretty easy install, and they look amazing. Here's the front. We did find that it was easier to open the back gate of the Jeep to install these. Just made it a little bit easier. There's a little bit more room without that tire being right there.